All right. Many of y'all might know my album 22, which I put out lots of other albums. This one here, 35 Miles in the Group, came out on December the 30th. So, just some of the people I'm inspired by musically. My dad, of course, this is my dad right here. Eli King, Safaris Records, Life Jennings, love him. Who else do we have? Oh, there's Life again. Jagged Edge, music. Oh my gosh, music. Soul Child is definitely one of my inspirations. To get the album, contact me at emariamusic@gmail.com. It is a video album, something unique. And then once you submit your payment, I will send you the link to the album. No, it's not on Spotify. It's not on SoundCloud. I'm freaking independent. Cisco. So here we are at the keyboard. How did I come up with 22? Well, it was all an idea in my head. Yeah, so a lot of the songs came to me during Sacred, Sacred Woman, Sacred, Sacred Woman. Yes, with the one and only Queen Afua. So on the album, you get a lot, 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 a lot of love. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot of me singing. Yeah, it's actually a flexible video album. A flexible video album, a flexible video album for you. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Get the album, y'all. All right, CEO chat. Part of being a CEO and Mr. Millionaire is being willing to do what everybody else is not willing to do. Like this morning, Saturday morning, I am up. I've been up, I've been creating, doing stuff, but I'm about to go do some Instacart. And other people may be like, Elmira, why don't you just get a job? Why don't you just do this? You can make six figures doing this. But the reality is, I love my freedom. I'm willing to piecemeal and do things to support my dream instead of being locked down and tied down to somebody else's dream. That's the CEO mentality. I've been doing this pretty much all of my life. Even when I worked at Hilton, I knew I had another goal. Even when I worked at Macy's, I had another goal. I've always been running my business. You got to be willing to do what everybody else is afraid to do. You got to jump. I always talk about jumping, having faith, getting out there. So I'm going to go do a couple of hours because I got a workshop today with Billy Carson and Dr. B series called Blueprint to God Power. So I'm doing what I got to do early in the morning. Everybody else is damn sleep. That's one thing I'm going to get these goods while the people is asleep. Well.